Visionaries, welcome back to Planet Venus, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Visionaries, wanted to share with you what my month-end earnings are for May as we embark on June. May was a terrific month of sales for me. You will see my earnings just jumped up a crazy amount, and I attribute that to both strong organic sales and paid ads as well. I only have ads on about 5 or so of my shirts, but expense on that is way low, as I was showing you guys in some of the videos where I explore AMS ads. The ROI on that is so high that it just makes sense for me to do ads, but obviously you don't have to do ads. My organic growth is also due to the fact that I have about 1,800 active designs. 200 or so of those sell on a regular basis. So as I was telling you guys again in prior videos, if you haven't seen that, about the 80-20 rule. So 80% of your royalties will probably come from 20% of your portfolio. So the game of Amazon obviously is to continue to add designs, put up designs. I feel as well that a lot of my sales come when I actively upload on a regular basis. If you take a little bit of a hiatus from uploading, even if you're maxed out in your tier, you should be designing for the next tier. That activity, I believe, is what keeps the Amazon algorithm recommending your designs in search and keeping them at the top of search as well. The activity across your account in general and not just individual designs. So from that, let's get into my sales for May, and as we already are in June, just showing you kind of how dramatic the difference between the prior month, so April, then May, and hopefully June gets off to a great start. I have about $150 of sales over the last 4 days so far, not counting today. So you guys can take a look and we'll walk through my sales. Okay, so as you can see here, I have overall 1433 sales, a little bit over $6,000 since I've been on Merch by Amazon. Last month I had 1,365 sales, comprised of 240 sales or so. A good amount of returns, which I can't stand returns, so I always get bummed about those. But generally, it was an overall great month, and you can see my revenue per sale is going up. So instead of the 80-20 split, it's now 78-22, and I really want to get that to 75-25 if I can. And it's looking very possible with the shirts that sell on a regular basis. They are definitely getting me greater sales now and greater royalties per sale. So a couple of months ago, I probably was at low $3 royalties per sale, and now it's at $4.34, and I'm just keeping it growing how I can, because on the latest shirts that I've been selling, they are selling at $8 to $9 per versus the $5 or $4 royalties that I used to get on shirts. And so as you turn the tide and hone in on the niches that you're focused on and provide high quality designs, highly targeted designs, utilizing your keywords, making sure that it comes in at the top of search, and then hopefully getting a review pretty quickly on those, you will be able to garner higher royalties per sale instead of coming in at the 1307 and trying to work your way up from there. And if your shirt gains popularity, then you have to kind of fight the fight and have competitive pricing, because others are going to come in to the niche with similar designs. And if you're at 1307 to start out with, it's going to be challenging to increase your pricing at that point if you have not flooded out the niche already and there's others in there. So you don't want to, as I have mentioned before in some of my other videos, play pricing wars. So let me know what your May sales, what the results were for your efforts, and how you're enjoying your Merch by Amazon journey in general. I should also add that in addition to the $1,365 I made from shirt sales, I also made $1,200 by not selling the shirt. I was telling you guys in my last video about the consultation that I did for a client, and so I made $1,200 above and beyond what I made from my shirt sales in general. So overall, for the month of May, I made about $2,500 if you count that consultation as well. So definitely look for ways to diversify and Merch by Amazon POD in general beyond the one-to-one shirt sales, because if you're looking to get wealthy from this, it's not going to be from the one-to-one shirt sales. You're going to have to either contract out with businesses to do their local merch, or find clients that will want either your design or expertise in Merch by Amazon e-commerce in general. So the skills that you're gaining from this as well, please do see that as a growth opportunity and not just tearing up and making a couple dollars per sale. What's your end goal there? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, look back on my videos. I have about 40 Merch by Amazon videos on this channel, so it's some great information in there, and it'll probably answer some of the questions that you have as I continue on and make new videos. And I appreciate you guys as always for tuning in, for subscribing. So if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and just sharing with us on the planet. And then until next time, be well and peace, family.